Welcome to MyProjectBazaar.com. Let me discuss about the process reputation aggregation in peer-to-peer network using differential Gaussian algorithm. Let me discuss about the abstract of the project. This paper presents the art of the energy-efficient routing protocols for mobile ad hoc network. Since the nodes in MANET are mobile, the routing and security management become critical issue. Many minimum energy routing protocols have been proposed in recent years. However, very limited effort has been made in studying routing overhead, route step-up time, and route maintenance issues associated with these protocols. Without a careful design, an energy efficient routing protocol can perform much worse than a normal routing protocol. In this widely used field, considering both protocols and analytical frameworks for efficient energy routing, we then propose a more accurate analytical model to track the energy consumption and security due to various factors, and a simple energy efficient routing scheme peer protocol to prove the performance during the path discovery and in mobility scenarios with the security. Our simulation result discovery overhead delay and security 90% transmission energy consumption with security. Let me discuss about the flow diagram for our process. Initially, the node deployment has been proposed. Networks are formed with a given range of the sensors. Nodes are grouped automatically, depends upon their radio waves. Agents are formed for group registration. Node deployment is the first modules of the projects. The mobile nodes are to be deployed. Next, the routing discovery based on peer. Routing discovery through peer-to-peer, select the energy efficient node to transmit the data. Choose high priority, select the node. Here Gaussian algorithm is used. The Gaussian protocol is a style of computer to computer communication protocol inspired by the form of Gaussian seen in social networks. Modern distributed systems often use Gaussian protocol to solve problems that might be difficult to solve in other ways, either because the underlying network has an inconvenient structure, is extremely large, or because Gaussian solutions are the most efficient ones available. Motivated by applications to sensor, peer-to-peer, and ad hoc networks, the distributed asynchronous algorithms, also known as the Gaussian algorithm, for computation and information exchange in an arbitrarily connected network of nodes. Nodes in such networks operate under limited computational, communication, and energy resources. These constraints naturally gives rise to Gaussian algorithm. Next, if the attacker nodes are present, then drop the data. Otherwise, the data transmission has been performed. After reaches the destination node, sends route relay packets to source node. Transmit the data from source node to destination node through energy efficient intermediate nodes. If any path failure occurs, again starts route discovery. The transmission of the network depend on node position, speed, velocity, and updated time. In this model, detect the attacker node in this network. Finally, the performance has been analyzed. The simulation is implemented in one. The simulator network contains 30 nodes which can communicate the mobile and ad hoc network. Finally, we analyze the performance between existing and our proposed system. Here, delay, packet delivery ratio, throughput, and transmission time has been analyzed. Let me discuss about the running procedure for our process. Select the main.m file, the controller, write the file, and run for executing this process. Here, the nodes are interconnected, that is, peer-to-peer networks are formed. By this step, initially the nodes are deployed and every node has to communicate with other nodes by doing the peer-to-peer network formation. After completion of the formation of peer-to-peer network, we have to analyze the performance graph. Here we perform the analysis the graph. This is the prediction variance predictor result. After executing the peer-to-peer network, we perform the prediction variance detector. This is the gossip algorithm we implemented. In this gossip algorithm, we implemented prediction variance detector, and this is the spear rank correlation. Here the repeated nodes are, that means attacker nodes are identified. After that, we analyze the performance. This is the number of gossip steps required for convergence. To converge the process, we have to repeat many number of gossip steps. This is the number of gossip steps, and this steps will be repeated for various number of nodes, and we analyze the graph. This is the number of gossip steps required for convergence. Here we have to compare the result with existing method and varying the epsilon parameters. Here we compare number of gossip steps required for convergence and by varying the number of nodes with the existing and our proposed work. Finally, we analyze the attacker nodes using the gossip algorithm and implementing the peer-to-peer network. Here we compare the existing and our proposed system. Thank you.